Hi guys, Lisbeth here. Thanks for joining me for my nail polish collection and declutter. Probably one of the smallest declutters ever. I don't have a very big collection, so if you're looking for the walls and the racks of stuff, that's not me. I've pretty much minimized it. As you can see, I'm not even wearing polish right now. But let's take a real quick look at my collection. And this is for January 2019, so at the beginning of the year, I always like to go through and see what I want to keep and what I want to toss. I have my makeup bag. I did receive Macy's beauty box for one time, and I got this bag, so I really like that. I think it works out great for my makeup collection. I did purchase this. I was going to wear these nails at Halloween. Totally forgot about them, but I am going to keep them and probably just wear them on a whim sometime this year. I doubt if I'll wait till Halloween again, just so I can forget about them again. I have, of course, my toenail clippers, my fingernail clippers, my cuticle pusher, a nail file, and the brush. I have an out the door top coat. I have a diamond strength hardener. I tried it for a little while. It didn't seem to work, but I am going to give it another shot this year and try to keep at it. My nails, just as soon as they get any length on them at all, they want to split and crack. So I will try it again. Hopefully, if I keep at it, it will work. Here are my 4 polishes. These 2 are from Nails Inc. I love them. It's Dream Dust, which is like a shiny kind of gold. It has I don't even know. It's got a little pink shift to it. It's like a bronze with a pink shift, which I do enjoy. And this is called Rainbow Wishes. And I have had these for a year, so I need to use them up this year. And this is like translucent with a pink and a purple and a white shift to it. These PS2 I received in my Walmart beauty boxes. This one in 440 Double Agent is like a corally pink. I do like that a lot. This other one in Workout with Vicky, and it says nude benefits. It's a white. It's supposed to be kind of a nude one. I don't like polishes that, if I'm polishing my nails, that line, I do not like that to show. So I need at least 4 or 5 coats of this, and because that's not what it's for. It's to be like a nude polish. So it just doesn't work out for me. So I'm keeping all my tools, and like I said, I'm going to try the hardener for another year, and the top coat I am keeping. It's out the door top coat. I am keeping my Halloween nails and might just wear them at whatever. 3 polishes, 1 going. That's it. I've become pretty minimalist on my nail polish, and I'm happy about that. So let me know what you think. Does this look like a good range for a minimalist? And I will talk with you later.